Welcome to the Eazy Contracting Xero API demo. So we start by turning it on. Admin, Financial, Xero. You need to connect to Xero. This will ask you to log into Xero if you're not currently logged in. You then choose the company that you're wanting to associate. We allow access. And here we have some new options. I'm going to just turn on that one and that one, which is post to Xero and sign off and post to Xero and receive. The post as authorized and post as posted will automatically just authorize them if they have been ticked on post. Now we can go to reports, invoices. You'll see we have a new button here, export to Xero. The CSV option is still available. If I click export to Xero, we'll see that it connects, exports whatever's there, and if we close it and go into Xero, we'll see that those invoices have now been imported as drafts, as they were told to. Back into Eazy, go to the suppliers report, same sort of thing. We again have download to CSV, export to Xero, so I know here that we have two that have not yet been exported. Export to Xero. And as we can see, they are done. I can now go into Xero, business, bills to pay, and I'll see them sitting there as draft. Back to Eazy. If we go to invoices, knowing that we've ticked to post on sign off, if I go immediately into the invoice, check the invoice, I'm happy with it, get my next invoice number, actions, sign off. Yes, I'm happy with it. I'm going to cancel the send, back into Xero, invoices. We now have our draft, the fourth one is now sitting there. And the same happens with orders. If I go into orders and I go into an order and receive the order, we put in the invoice number, we'll see that it now has an invoice due date, which we simply need to confirm. If I say receive now, it's been received in Eazy, and if I go into Xero, we'll find it's going to be sitting in our drafts there too. So there's our COFCO, 20,000 Rand. The next one down is general ledger allocations. So this can only be done for a previous month, and it needs to be done for a full month to get the functionality that we require. And as we can see, as I hit go for that period, and I get my export to Xero button, when I click on that, it does our manual journals that we need to process. And if I go into Xero and I go look at the manual journals under draft, I'll see that that transaction we just ran is now sitting there, ready to be processed.